Theletja ge moya wa naga yarena o bolela. uYacela singaze sizilibale ukuba singobani. uHleba nathi khuluma nenhliziyo zethu uthi Pfuka elanguta kuhinda matilweni. Farelelani ni khwathise vhumatshelo penyaho. Shh. Listen to the spirit of Mzansi speak. We are Mzansi. Our menu is pap and vleis, and khwathise. We have the tenacity of a taxi driver. Weaving our way through the traffic of life, we take no shortcuts, just short left. Smell the braai in the air. Chesa, nyama, chesa, tsotsi, wachesa, ngwana. We have the GPS coordinates to where the horizon lives, and it's in the eyes of South Africans. For the crescendo of our lives is the sound of our heartbeats, the tap of our feet to house beats, the onomatopoeia of our rising R's and roaring lions, the ululations of our vuvuzelas makes me zealous, the baseline from a mass again and deflate from our fellas, from the Fole Bari to the old school clevers, when Brenda wasn't fussy about hot sticks, when Miriam Makeba could identify the hue of colors from Masekela's trumpet, that we are Mzansi. Our existence echoes our hope for a brighter tomorrow. If you listen closely enough, you may hear the sound of a forming rainbow.